Ever shared your personal info with an EU institution? Ever wondered who sees it, where it goes, or if it's safe? That's why Regulation 45/2001 exists. Why this law? Before this law, there were no clear rules on how EU institutions handled personal data. People are worried about misuse, leaks, or unauthorized sharing. So, the EU introduced Regulation 45/2001 to make sure your personal information is protected. What does it do? This law controls how EU institutions collect, use, and store your personal data. It makes sure they collect only necessary data, use it only for the right reasons, keep it safe from leaks or misuse, let you see and correct your own data, delete it when it's no longer needed. Imagine you apply for a scholarship from an EU institution. You share your name, ID, and contact details. Thanks to this law, they can't use your data for anything else, can't sell or share it without permission, must delete it after use. This keeps your info safe. What if someone breaks the rules? If an EU institution misuses data, the European Data Protection Supervisor steps in. They investigate, give warnings, and even issue penalties. In today's digital world, data is powerful. Regulation 45/2001 makes sure your personal info is handled with care, security, and respect. Know your rights, stay informed, and keep your data safe.